Hey guys, welcome back to CoinZero. It's been a while since I forgot my password, but today I'm going to show you how to make money with TrustDice. I'll dive into why this is the best crypto platform and, most importantly, how you can take advantage of it. By the name, you can already tell. It's an online betting platform. But what makes it different? Well, it's crypto-based, and guess what? It's free to bet, thanks to their built-in faucets. TrustDice has your regular casino games and sports betting. But if you ask me, stay away from the casino. The house always has an edge. Instead, we're focusing on the faucets. Head over to the bonus section. This is where you'll find the crypto faucet. Every 6 hours, you can claim free crypto, and the amount depends on your level on TrustDice. Want a boost? Use my link in the description to get a 500% welcome bonus plus extra faucet rewards. Now, you're probably thinking,
Bro, what am I supposed to do with 6 cents?
well, I got 2 methods for you. Method 1 is sports betting strategy. Since you're not using your own money, it's risk-free. Just do your research and choose a low-risk parlay to double your funds. I've personally tried this, and if you get lucky enough, you can flip 6 cents to $100 in a week. Of course, that's just speculation. Oh, and by the way, thank you for 500 subscribers. To celebrate, I'm starting a full series where I'll attempt to flip $1 to $100 in 7 days. And I'll have 3 tries to do it. So make sure to subscribe. Method 2 is multi-account strategy. Now, technically, having multiple accounts is against the rules, but I found a way around it. Using Gologin, you can create multiple accounts without getting banned. It's a proxy-based tool, kind of like a VPN, that makes each account look unique. Just a heads up, you can't use a disposable email. It has to be a real Gmail account to work. To automate the process, I also recommend using a free auto clicker to claim faucets on all your accounts. If you set this up properly, you can make $1 to $2 per account. Now let's do the math. To hit $100 per day, you'd need 50 accounts. Good luck if your PC can handle that. And that's basically it. That's how you can make money with TrustDice. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and help us reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. See you next time.